A ver, aquí. ¿Y qué no hace? Wow. Ok, pues así está esto. Bunch of light that has been opened. A beanie. Cleaning kit, more of this, and the X grip. So let's see. It's quite big, durable, not bad. See that. It's quite good. Cleaning kit. Liquid and stuff. Little track, mira. ¿Lo quieres, Alba?
Sí.
Entonces pie para la cámara.
Pero ¿qué está eso?
Chiquita. The light. I could fit on my camera. YouTube batteries. ¿Algo tienes baterías?
¿De qué tipo necesitas?
Double.
No.
Probably not worth that much, but yeah. Does this go in? Let me see on my camera. Not really, but yeah, it's the light right here. Let me see. You know, whatever. Now to the best part, the fisheye. Spacer in. Then it comes with this tool, this basic cloth, and just notes here. Alright, let's try to get some good focus on it. Here it is. Pretty big. It's like, let me try to compare it. It's a little bit less bigger than the DVD, but it's still pretty big. So yeah, here it is. It's quite heavy, So I'm not sure how my camera's gonna work out with that, but yeah. Opteka. Jesus, things like metal. Here it is. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's not focusing. Let me put this on. Oh, there we go. Okay, actually, I'm gonna put this one on here. Yeah, what?
Sí, está chévere.
A ver si quiere. Wow. Mira, güey. Está grande comparado a la cámara. Está bien, ¿eh? Let me take out this spacer thing. That's one. One more. And there it is. Yep, so there.